Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your Airwallex account. So first of all, the process is same for your PC as well as your phone devices. So go ahead, open your browser, type in Airwallex wallet, sign up, and you will see sign up to get started today by Airwallex itself. Once you open that link, first of all, type in your business email, select get started. If you would like to receive marketing emails, check this. If not, leave it unchecked. Now at this page, you will see how big is your company. Select the number of employees that you have. I'm going to go with 1 to 10. And also how much transaction volume do you expect to receive and send via the wallet. Let's go ahead, select the first as well. It says, what is your primary area of interest in Airwallex? You may go ahead and select the option that is convenient for you. And it says, any other solution that interests you. This is totally optional, so I'm going to select anything that I want here. Now, as you can see, this is my business email. Type in your legal first name, last name, create yourself a strong password, and select next. As you do all that, you might get an email asking for verification. Do that, and then you will be able to create a Airwallex account, and you can use it from there.